Hey, Mia, I wanted to do a quick video because I know other people are going to have the questions. So for anyone else who's watching, Mia asked how can she create a calendar and embed it into her website so that people can click on a URL inside of the calendar and go to a checkout page. So this is an old calendar I used inside of my community for people to be able to click on the links and go to the place inside of the community where they could sign up rather than have to search everywhere in the community to find the sign up page. So in this situation, what you'll do is you can click on any text that is inside of Canva, and you can click on these three dots and you can click on this link. When you do that, you're going to paste the URL that you want the people to go to sign up. So if you're not seeing these three dots, then that means this is probably open. You'll close this and then you'll find the link right here. So Mia, I'm going to share this in the community with you so that you can just swipe and deploy this. And but then what you'll do is you'll click on share. You're going to come down here, you're going to click on more, and you're going to go to this embed. And so we're going to go ahead and copy this, and we're going to go into the builder, and let's just add a new page for this example. We're going to go with a empty page, testing, add. And then what I want to do is I'm going to come over here to the widget, and we are going to grab the code. Oh, that is not where I want it. We are going to grab the code. Give me a second. Let's add a block here. Empty block. Now let's grab this code. Put it in there, and we're just going to paste it on that first line and save. And now you have your calendar in here with the working links. So if I click on this, it's not going to go anywhere because this is an old link. It's just going to take you to the homepage of the community. So, but that is how you can create a calendar, add a URL inside of here by linking it either here, or if you have this elements tabs, you're going to go to the three dots and you'll find the link there. You will add the URL to the checkout page to this. Then you come over to the website, add that code widget, which is right here. And then you will paste that URL that we had when we hit the share button and we came down and we did code, and you're going to do this HTML embed code, copy it and paste it in that code widget. So that is all. I will talk to you soon. I hope that helps. Let me know, Mia, if that answers your question. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.